Behr from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so these are the colors I'm going to be working on today. These, I'm going to make green out of these blue and yellow. And I'm adding a little bit of yellow to this red to brighten it up a little bit. So I am going to add medium. This is 50% Elmer's glue and 50% water mixed up, and this time I'm not going to add any water to the paint, and I'm going to add 1 part of paint to 1 part of medium. Again, this is latex, and I'm just trying to find ways to do fluid art without Floetrol. Okay, so these are ready. Look at the colors. That's how they came up, and I'm going to use this silicone that I'm going to put in the description box. I mean, the link in the description box, and I'm using 1 drop per color except on the white. Why? Because that's how I wanted it today. Okay, so I'm just going to use this to incorporate the silicone into the paint, and that's it. And I'm going to mix the rest off camera. Now my colors are mixed now, and I'm going to put them in there. The order in which we put them is very important. So I'm going to use the white first, then I'm going to use the red, and then the black, because if I mix the red with the green, it's going to turn out muddy and gray and ugly. So I am using the black to separate them, and now I'm going to add the green. Should I say the Grinch? Okay, so now that you know the order that I'm using for this, I'm going to put the colors off camera. Now I'm ready for my flip cup, and let's see how it turns out. All right, so 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh, that's a lot of black, but I see cells in the red. Okay, one of the things that I'm also, I don't think if the video is going to allow me to do here, but as I stretch, ooh, I'm loving those cells. What do you think? Ooh, I really, really like those cells. Anyway, what I was gonna say is that as I stretch this, and I see that there is still a lot of canvas yet to cover, I may need to do another pour to cover the rest of the canvas and then try to tilt it. Okay, so now I'm just going to slowly tilt this. I'm not gonna let you watch the whole thing because you already know that it's just really, really carefully and how we stretch this this paint. Now I'm going to show you here. You see that green side over there? That's the other pour that I use, exactly the same colors in the same order as the red one. I just wanted to show you that I used a second pour to cover that side of the canvas, as I said before. As you can see, they're beautiful cells. I'm loving this, but yet I have my reservations when it comes to latex paint in Elmer's glue. But hey, you know, I keep trying. You know, I know that it's very hard to find Floetrol outside in the United States. So if this video has helped you in any way, shape, or form, I'll invite you to subscribe to my channel and press that notification bell for future videos. This is the spray I use to varnish my pours, and this is now the painting already dry. It looks pretty, doesn't it? Well, let me tell you, it didn't dry like that. You see this? Remember I was telling you about Elmer's glue and latex? Well, it turns out that it kind of, I don't know, kind of breaks the paint. So I had a lot of spots like this throughout the painting. Why didn't I show it? Because you would have just clicked yourselves out and would have missed this very pretty pour. Look at this. See, so what I did was I just repainted the spots, and now it looks pretty. Now I want to show you this. This is the same technique I use, the same formula, but this is in ceramic tile. And these dry perfectly, and it's gorgeous. I love it. Don't ask me why the canvas one turned out differently. I don't know. All I know is that we work with what the art gives us. So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.